my Louis Vuitton gift from my youngest sister. I love unboxing. This is my first LV fragrance. Eau d'Absence perfume. It's like a beautiful escape through the flowery fields of grass. The scent is an invitation to let yourself go and enjoy those moments when time suspends its flight. An enchanting break we would love to last forever. A moment the master perfumer Jacques Cavalier Belle-Lettre has captured in a profusion of fresh flowers. An absolutely contemporary bouquet giving pride of place to the delicate flowers of grass, where jasmine and rose may reveal themselves in all their majesty. Enhanced by the green and powdery facets of mimosa from Tanneron, a hint of sandalwood and musk prolong the powdery accents of the flowers. A vibrant and luminous fragrance, full of optimism. The bottle is refillable in stores equipped with a perfume fountain. I love perfumes. It also has complimentary personalization. You can have your name or number engraved on the bottle.